simplest way I find is just go with whole foods. If somebody is eating meat, then buy meat. Don't go buy, sausages that's in package or something like that. Get fresh meat. Fresh fish or beef or chicken or whatever it is, eggs. When it comes to like carbs and vegetables, get it fresh, right? Go to a farmer's market or go to your local grocery store, but just get everything whole foods and fresh. And then when you cook it, do the minimum amount of processing and sauces and all this stuff. The more you can eat things in its original form, the better it will be for the body. If somebody wasn't eating meat, then like all I really did is I just cut out the meat part and I just still buy the vegetables. Go buy zucchini and carrots and cabbage and green beans and things like that. And I'm not much of a, I've been cooking since like a long, long time. And I used to cook every single week. So I cook like crazy. But I never call myself a chef because I don't cook fancy. I literally put salt and pepper and maybe use like some soy sauce or something. Just a couple of sauces here and there. I throw it in there, chop up the vegetables, drop it in there, stir fry it, it's done. And then I'll cook a tub of rice, and then I just eat that. And if I was eating eggs, I throw in some eggs. It's like really, really simple. And another advice that I recommend, no matter someone is whatever preference they are in their diet, eat the same foods. Stop switching the foods up. If you're switching the foods up constantly, then basically your stomach is having to go ahead and come up with the different digestive enzymes and acids needed to go ahead and digest all of these different foods. And if your body is not digesting your foods correctly, then it doesn't matter how healthy it is. You're not able to absorb it. So how do you know if your digestion is not going well? Do you ever feel bloated? Do you ever get gas? Do you ever feel like there's cramps? Do you ever feel like you can't take a poop? All of these things show that there's a problem in somebody's digestive system. And therefore, they need to go ahead and clean up their diet. They need to look and see, maybe it's certain foods, like it's not just about the healthy. That's good. But once you dial in after you're eating healthy, right, you're eating whole foods, then it's about which foods your body likes. And it's really simple to find out. Start off with ones that you like and then eat. How does your stomach feel afterwards? Are you bloated? Okay, if you're bloated, don't eat that combination next time. Don't mix it up that way. Don't use that sauce. Over time, if you just, every meal, you start to pay attention, over time you start to realize like, hey, these foods are good for my body. My body likes it, digests them well, it absorbs well. These don't. And so we move from everything is healthy, I'm just gonna eat everything that's healthy. No, we go from that into a next level of personalization. Our bodies are all a little bit different. And somebody might deal really well with carrots and green beans, and somebody may have total gas with it, but they go well with asparagus and Brussels sprouts. And I'm just making up combinations. I don't know if those things taste good. It might taste like crap together. But the idea is, once we get into the next level of personalization, our bodies are dealing with food differently, and certain bodies types digest food differently. And for us, it's important to find which ones digest good in our body. So this way we're able to absorb all the healthy food that we're actually eating.